We're always looking for campfire recipes that allow us to eat well, but minimize the amount of cooler space that we need. So tonight, we've got a recipe that fits the bill, but by no means would anybody call this a classic. So tonight, we're gonna create a new classic campfire cuisine. Stick around, let me show you what we have. Welcome back to Dickin' Around Outdoors. Tonight, we're going to create a new classic campfire cuisine. But before we get started, I want to thank all of our subscribers. We appreciate you. If you haven't subscribed, please take a moment to hit the little red button in the lower right-hand corner. So if you haven't seen our classic campfire cuisine, these recipes are all about shelf-stable items that pack easily, travel easily, and don't take up space in your cooler. So tonight's recipe is a chicken chili with white beans. Let me show you what we're going to use. The ingredients we're going to use tonight are a can of chicken stock, an onion, 2 cans of white chili beans, little chili powder and cumin, Philadelphia cream cheese, the only item needing refrigeration, a jalapeno, and some picante sauce. We're going to pair that tonight with some naan bread that we're going to grill, and we're going to cook that up in the Magma Dutch oven. So stick around. Now this recipe couldn't be easier. We've chopped the onion, we're chopping the jalapeno. Once we get these chopped, we're going to go ahead and throw the Magma Dutch oven onto the stove. We'll let it warm up, and then we're going to saute the vegetables for just a few minutes just to soften them up. Then we're going to toss in the rest of the ingredients except for the cream cheese. Let that simmer 10 to 15 minutes. Then we're going to slowly melt the cream cheese into the soup, and that's it. To cook the naan, we've got the Wolf and Grizzly grill going behind us. We're just going to toss that over the coals for a few minutes to warm it up, and then dinner will be served. So hang around. Dutch oven's warmed up. We're just going to go ahead, put the veggies in, saute those. I'm going to call it 10 minutes till they get tender. Then we'll add in everything else. Easy peasy. Onions and jalapenos are soft, so we're going to go ahead and add the spices. Just give those a quick stir. Let those bloom. Then we're going to add everything else except for the cream cheese. And these spices only need to go for about a minute. Okay, I think those have gone. So let's add in the chicken stock. And as I said, this is a pint of home canned chicken stock. The beans. If you've never had these Bush's chili beans, white chili beans, it says mild sauce, but they are a little spicy, so if you don't like spice, you might just try regular white beans without the chili sauce. And with these beans and this chicken, it's definitely going to be a hearty dish. We're using medium picante sauce tonight. We're just going to go ahead and let that simmer for about 10 minutes. Already looks good. The soup has come to a nice simmer, so we're going to go ahead and just start the naan. We just have little individual sized pieces that we bought from the store. We're just going to go ahead and toss that on, let that grill brown up and warm up. We've been simmering for 10 minutes. The naan is looking good. So now what we're going to do is we're going to drop in 6 ounces of the cream cheese, so you don't use the whole pack. And we're just going to slowly melt that into the soup. Let that warm up. Then we are ready to eat. The soup looks great. It's nice and creamy, ready to go into a bowl. The naan looks great. Let's dish some up, see how it tastes. And here we have it, a new chapter in classic campfire cuisine. Chicken chili with white beans. Oh, it smells fantastic. I'm just going to drop a little pepper on it. little salt. We'll see how it tastes. That is really, really good. Try this recipe at home. Let me know what you think. Post it down below. It's not too spicy. It's just got a right amount of heat in it. As always, thanks for watching. To all of our subscribers, we really appreciate you. If you haven't subscribed, lower right-hand corner. Take care, and we'll see you outdoors.